Unit Circle Part 2: How to express an angle in the first quadrant between 0 and 90 degrees. First of all, I would like to introduce the unit circle and each quadrant to you. As you know, we generate the angle from the x-axis to anti-clockwise direction. Here the 0 point, and when you move to sine axis or the y-axis, we generate the 90 degrees. When we complete the first region, it's called the first quadrant. And we can complete the 180 degrees if we move to 180, I mean the x-axis. So this part is called the second quadrant. And we can move onto y-axis again to complete the 270, and this region is called the third quadrant. And last time, to make the full circle, you complete in that way 360, and this region is called the fourth quadrant. Now, of course, we need a trigonometric ratio and right triangle to use the unit circle. So there is a right triangle and unit circle. To generate the angle, I will use the red line. I will take it and move to anti-clockwise direction. In that way, we generate the theta angle from here to here. Now, what happened? We generate the theta angle, so this angle in the first quadrant can be written in that form, just theta. If you move to your journey or generate the angle, you will generate more angle. So, but I need a more what? Right triangle. Let me cut it out and paste this same triangle on the each region. Now we have a 4 right triangle in the each quadrant. Now, how much we move from the 0? Look, theta plus we are moving to 180, but we stop. It is not completely 180. 180 minus theta, we move from 0 to here. So this region angle is called to 180 minus theta. If we continue to generating the angle, I mean we came here, in that way we generate how much angle? 180 plus theta. For that reason, this region angle is called 180 plus theta. And one more time, I came here, how much this red line move from the 0 point? I think you can easily understand, not completely 360, it is the theta much less than 360. So it is 360 minus theta. So you understand? I think in the first quadrant, angles is written in that form theta. In the second quadrant, angles can be written in that form 180 minus theta. In the third quadrant, 180 plus theta. And last quadrant, in fourth quadrant, 360 minus theta. Now, let's use this knowledge to solve the question. How? To transfer data to first quadrant. Okay? Now, 180 degrees. 180 degrees in between 90 and 180. It means it is in the second quadrant. What I know, in the second quadrant, angles can be written 180 minus theta. So 140 equals to 180 minus 40 degrees. So after that, that's equals to what? I need to check the sign in this interval, positive value will get or negative value will get. So you need to check the axis, y-axis. So sine axis it is. So in this interval, sine will get positive value. So I put the positive here. Rest of them, sine just 40. In that way, what happened? I transfer the second quadrant angle to first quadrant. Now, cosine 140. Cosine 140 can be written as the sine 140 like and we will just make sure it is the angle sine. On the x-axis, cosine value, you will see the cosine value on the x-axis. So in the second quadrant, cosine will get the negative value. For that reason, I put here negative. Cosine 40. Okay, now tangent. Tangent, same idea, like the cosine or sine. We will do the same thing and just need to check the sine. Okay, tangent equals to sine value, sine over cosine. So positive will be divided by negative. We will get the negative value. So tangent 40 degrees. Now I will show the example from the third quadrant and the fourth quadrant. Now 250, where is it? In between 270 and 180. So how can I write a third quadrant angle? I need to write in that form. 180 plus theta. Sine 180 plus 70, I am pretty sure equals to 250. So now check the value. Is positive or negative? Sine. Sine is negative in third quadrant. So I put here negative. So sine 70, just 70. Now I will do the same thing for cosine and check the value of cosine, positive or negative. Here, negative. X-axis, check the x-axis. Don't forget, it is on the x-axis, all cosine value. Now tangent. Tangent, same like the others, and sine over cosine, so negative over negative going to be positive, tangent 70. That's equal to tangent 70 equals to tangent 250, sine 250 equals to negative sine 70. It means, okay, last one, sine 350 equals to what? Now, I checked where is it? 350 in fourth quadrant. Why? It is less than 350 and greater than 270. How we write the angles in fourth quadrant? 360 minus theta. So 350 equals to 360 minus 10. Now I will check sine will get positive value or negative value in this quadrant. So I need to check the y-axis. So it's all negative. So I will put the negative sign here and sine just 10. Cosine, same method. 360 minus 10. Cosine will get the positive value because cosine sine. Look at the x-axis, please. Cosine 10. Last one, same method for tangent, and negative divided by positive value will be the negative value. So it's done. Thank you very much.